Okay, welcome back, people. My name is Flocker's Design, and today I am going to show you how to get better stream quality on Twitch. And this also counts for non-affiliates. Now, there is a thing going around here that affiliates, you can only go up to 6,000 kilobytes bitrate, right? Or kilobits per second, right? And as a partners, you can only go up to 8,000. And then we have the point on enhanced broadcasting, because we also see people, I just saw it and that made me decide to make this video, that people say, well, you cannot stream above 6,000 even with enhanced broadcasting on. Well, this is false. I have been streaming with over 10,000 bitrate every single time that I stream since enhanced broadcasting. Even without using enhanced broadcasting, I stream above 6,000. So you can. I'm going to show you how to do it, and this will definitely increase your stream quality by a ton. So no longer being locked to 6,000. And if you don't believe me, you can go on to my stream on Twitch, what I will be doing in a couple of hours. And then I will also show you how you can see what my stream is outputting on bitrate. So with that being said, let me hop over to my my screen and I'll show you how to do it. So over here we have, of course, our OBS. Well, this is not my stream OBS, although this is the OBS that's actually outputting this display. So if I go here to enable preview, you can see it is this display. And of course, using a capture card. So I'm going to turn it off so we don't get mirror and mirror and mirror. So it's actually pretty goddamn simple. All you have to do is in OBS, go to your settings, right? Go to your settings. Then we go to stream. No, sorry. We go to output. No, we're not. We're going to, I am completely lost. We have to go to output. Yeah. So for, if we are not using enhanced broadcasting, we're going to do that at the end. So for not in enhanced broadcasting, what you want to do for the best stream quality, my settings that I personally use for my stream is, of course, I am using NVIDIA NVENC H264. Also keep in mind my system, I will probably do a pop-up on screen with what my streaming specs are. But my streaming specs, at least in my streaming PC, is a, I think a i7 9700K, 64 gigabytes of RAM, and a 3060. So that's way more than enough for streaming. And then of course I am streaming in 1080 60 with a whole lot going on my stream. And yeah, so I'm using NVIDIA. I need to grab the right mouse and not my stream mouse. That's not gonna work. So personally, I use NVIDIA NVENC and H264. And after that, you can see it automatically defaults to constant bitrate 10,000. We don't want that if we do not use enhanced broadcasting. If you want to have above 60, you can do it this way. If you do 700 of 7,500, you can. So it's in the middle of Twitch cap and partner. Don't go above this. If you go above this, even by 1, it's possible that your video is being cut and you think you're streaming, but your stream outputs a black screen. If you keep it on 7,500 kilobytes a second, you should be good to go. Now, I know this definitely works for affiliates, and I think it also works for non-affiliates. Try it and let me know down in the comments. And the first one that says, yes, it works, I will pin your comment at the top. But I'm pretty sure it does. So this is what I have been using before NVIDIA broadcasting and of the enhanced broadcasting for years. And of course, then to make the video a little bit longer, you know, we're just gonna go through the rest of the settings, my personal settings. So what I do, constant bitrate I set to 2. A preset is mostly 6. Sometimes I try 7, but sometimes if I go 7, my system, because I have so much going on, it has a hard time. If you don't have a lot going on like I have on my stream, you can go to 7 depending on your setup, but 6 is a nice middle ground for sure. If you really can't, go to 5, but if that is even an issue, you could go to 4, but then you're probably better off getting a PC upgrade. I recommend at least 6 because that is still great quality. Let me do a really quick check on my own stream what I'm currently using. Output. I'm currently using 7, so I switch between 7 and 6 depending on what I'm doing and how much shit I have on, but 99% I use one of the two. So go to 7, you know, best quality. If you don't, drop it to 6. Minimum is 5. Don't go below that because it will be terrible. After that, I'm gonna go high quality on the tuning. Quarter resolution, 2-pass. We do not want, we want the bottom one, 2-pass, full resolution. It's better. Sometimes for me it reset it to quarter and my stream was blurry and I was like, what the hell's going on? That's why. So put it back to full resolution. Profile, keep that on high. Adaptive, turn that off, but keep look ahead on, and B frames also on too. So that is your technically your stream bitrate or your stream settings. Great. Now, what if I am using enhanced broadcasting? Because we cannot alter this when we're using enhanced broadcasting because it will overwrite. That is fine. So we go to advanced. Then we go to no. Let me have a quick look where it was. Don't tell me this is an older. Wait. I think I have a older version that doesn't have it. Wait, what? Hold on, let me have a look on this one then. Oh, it's the same version. So where is my enhanced broadcasting? Oh, I'm not connected to Twitch. Right. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Let me connect and then I'll show you how it's done. All right, so now I am connected to Twitch and now you can see we have these settings. So once you have this, you go to enable enhanced broadcasting. Now you would see that this is grayed out, so we cannot use these settings anymore. Well, that's fine, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to enhanced broadcasting, uncheck the maximum auto, and we want to set this one to 10,000. If you do that, we don't need these, we don't need that. I said close. Don't show it again. Close. You have the best settings and this works. I personally normally use this. Now the only reason I don't at this moment, and I may turn it back on. First off, of course, I am testing different things and I have a streamer DAG widget that shows my bitrate on a button. The problem is it's not compatible with broadcasting, enhanced broadcasting. I need to do some fine tuning. I can't remember how I did it to make it work. But that's only because I had some stability issues with my own internet lately. So I had to have a actual readout for the bitrate. Now, also, if I do stream with the enhanced bitrate and you're on my stream, and you're like, well, is he actually? So without having to go to the player, you can also, on my stream at least, do exclamation mark status, and it will give a status like that. That will actually show my my frames. It will show my drop frames. It will show my FPS. I don't know why it's on 50 though, but that's fine. It also show my actual bitrate live. As you can see, that is my latest bitrate for the stream. It's only stream bitrate. It's not using recording bitrate. So yeah, that's my latest documented stream bitrate. You can see that it does work. Now, let me also show you, if I go to Twitch, how you can do it otherwise. So if you are on Twitch and you're watching a stream, right? And you want to see like, hey, what is... Dude, why is this webcam so small? Oh, that's a replay. Okay. What is this bitrate? You can also go here in the settings wheel and then go to advanced and then show video stats. And then you can see also the actual bitrate. Now, it will not show the bitrate now, I think. Oh, it will. As you can see, this is my latest recorded bitrate with the stream. You can see it's going over 9,000. And no blackouts. I'm running perfectly fine. Everything runs great. And you can see it is still outputting 1080p. So yeah, everyone that says you cannot stream above 6,000 kilobytes a second or per second on the stream, it is not true. You can. I have been using it for years. So even before enhanced broadcasting came out, I streamed at 7,500 consistently. It's that simple, guys. So you can. There is no stream cap. Also, that flicker is still... I need to make a new transition. The flicker is annoying. Yeah, there is no limit on your stream. Of course, there is some kind of a limit, but the 6,000 limit is a taboo. It's bullshit because you can't go to 7,500. I've been using that for years. And if you use enhanced broadcasting, you can go up to 10K, thankfully. Yeah, so I thought I'm just gonna make this real quick video and show you guys like you actually can. I will be streaming later today. It's now 8 in the morning, so 8 a.m. So yeah, I will definitely be streaming a little later. I don't know what yet, but probably some arena breakout or whatever. And you can check it out yourself. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video gave you a little bit more of a insight that you can get better quality. And yeah, of course, as always, join my Discord if you have any questions. I see a lot of new people joining lately, which is great because I'm definitely trying to grow that thing. Yeah, with that being said, guys, hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.